Previously on ITSVONTE'S World.
Today, I'm gonna be quitting my job, and I'm gonna let y'all see it, you know what I'm saying?
Hey, what's up, Vontae?
What's up, Jeff? So, I'm giving you a call to let you know that I'm not coming in to work today. I made my decision. I'm done with Bar Louie. I'm gonna, you know what I'm saying, continue to grow my business and my brand.
Hey, what up? We in Vonte's World.
Vonte's World.
Vonte's World. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn.
Just walking through the crib, everything gone, you know. We just chilling, it's dark. You can't even see my nigga, dang.
Damn.
You get
Like a fuck.
but no, you can't see though. But yeah, we just, you know what I'm saying, chilling in the crib for the last time. About to go to the new crib, you dig? You know what I'm saying? It's temporary, you gotta make sacrifices to get where you wanna go, you know what I'm saying? But we about to get to that next level. Niggas about to be up in the sky. Up in the sky, accomplishing next shit. You probably can't even see this shit. This shit probably dark as fuck, but it's just for my memory, for my future self.
Never about to forget this moment. Because from now on, everything about to be fucking lit. We about to be on our shit. Business-wise, music-wise. Promise you. Because you gotta take a step back to get a step forward. And that's what we about to do. We ain't just about to step forward, we about to shoot the fuck forward. So, to my future self, to Vontae future self, nigga, we about to do this shit. And I'm low as hell. And that shit really do taste like fucking fire.
And we really having growth. You know what I'm saying? I guess I just wanted the memory of the crib. You know what I'm saying? And
One last time for this house. But after this bitch, we about to have bigger houses.
yeah, you know what I'm saying? This shit ain't shit. This ain't shit. If I could do this, imagine what I'm about to do next. Like, you know what I'm saying? Like, just imagine what's about to happen next. But yeah. You can see me now, but now. Yeah, that's the end of it. I'm recording this like I'm recording a vlog, but I guess it's an unreleased vlog. Never gonna come out just for my own personal memory.
This is not the end. We about to shoot to some greater shit. Damn, bro, you with this?
That bitch shit. Hey, shit. Hey, I remember I had the bitch right here hitting her. Hey, bitch shit right here hitting her. All types of ways. It bent over, I did the baby boy, I picked her ass up, I was in that motherfucker like, you know, all types of shit, all sitting on the counter, all that, pop, 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 all that. On top of the toilet, in the goddamn, that bitch dirty too, I ain't cleaning it, fuck it. I had bitches all in there, you know what I'm saying? Bitches all over here, smashing them. Hey, look, it's a good day, it's a great day, you know what I'm saying? I done came a long way, you know what I'm saying? Right now, you know what I'm saying? When I'm at where I'm at, y'all probably like, where you at, where you at? I got the keys right now, you know what I'm saying? New spot, new crib, you dig? And this shit is legendary, this shit is ultra legendary, you know what I'm saying? But I'm gonna give y'all a quick tour of my new spot real quick, you know what I'm saying? Before I get into that, hold on, let me see. And look at the views and the vibes. This shit crazy. This shit crazy. Look at the view and the vibes. You dig? You dig? We came for nothing. We came for nothing. We came for nothing. We came for nothing. You know what I'm saying? I came for nothing. And now look at me. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, man. So first and foremost, you know what I'm saying? I gotta give thanks to God. You know what I'm saying? Thank you for blessing me and letting my hard work pay off, you know what I'm saying? I'm so thankful that, you know what I'm saying, I got to this point, you know what I'm saying? I know I wouldn't have did it if he wouldn't never blessed me and put me in this position. So I gotta thank God, you know what I'm saying? And I came a long way and I did this shit on my own. So, you know what I'm saying? This is about to be my motherfucking downtown Detroit luxury apartment tour. Hit the fucking like button right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm about to show y'all what the crib is looking like. But I came from nothing. I did this shit on my own. You know what I'm saying? Not to brag, but this ain't no regular shit. You can't just say I want to go live downtown and, you know, go down there. Like, nigga, you got to have a certain amount of income. You know what I'm saying? Your shit got to be proven. You know, I'm proof of income. And this shit ain't no regular motherfucking apartment where you got to go. This shit costs. This is about 3-4 houses. You know what I'm saying? I don't know bragging shit, but I just gotta talk my shit because I came a long way. And I did this shit on my own. And I did this shit. This ain't no motherfucking government money. This ain't no unemployment money. This ain't no PPP money. This hard work money. You know what I'm saying? This hard work and grind and shit right here. So let me show y'all what's going on real quick. Make sure I got all the lights on. Let me turn the lights on this motherfucker. So, you know what I'm saying? We come through the door. This is how we coming in. Come through the door real quick. Shit, I'm gonna have something waiting for a nigga if you at my door. You know what I'm saying? But shit, right here we got the little storage closet right there and shit. You know, we got the nice floors, the nice wood floor. This is real. This ain't no fucking tiles or nothing. It's a real wood floor. You know what I'm saying? So we got the little storage closet right there. Come in, put your shit in there, you know what I'm saying? Then we got the sexy bathroom over here. Look at this motherfucking countertop with the marble and the granite, whatever the fuck it is, nigga, sexy as hell. Then we got the motherfucking mirror right here with the LED mirrors, you know what I'm saying? This one will be clapping your girl at, right here on the mirror on the sink like this. Yeah, bitch, yeah, bitch. You know what I'm saying? We got the little toilet right there, you know what I'm saying? Look at the floor. Look at the floor tiles and the texture. This shit different. Look at this big ass tub. You see this shit? This big ass tub. This one be at with your bitch. You know what I'm saying? With your girl. We gonna be in here taking bubble baths, getting it in and all type of shit. Look at this fucking shower, this sexy ass shower. You know what I'm saying? Look at the head, shower head. We gonna get the water falling down, dripping on me. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we on that type of time, you know what I'm saying? Niggas doubted me. Niggas was talking shit about me on the internet and in person, you know what I'm saying? So it's cool because they couldn't see the vision. They didn't know what the fuck I was doing this whole time. But I knew what the fuck I was doing. The guy knew what I was doing. That's why he blessed me to get to this point. You know what I'm saying? But let's keep it moving. A little storage here, you know what I'm saying? We got a little storage right there. But that's a nice little bathroom, you know what I'm saying? And this is the empty apartment tour, by the way. I got a whole lot of shit downstairs that this apartment gonna be filled up real quick. So I got a lot of shit, but I ain't got everything I need, but I got most of the shit. So we still gonna get some more shit into the crib and, you know what I'm saying, decorate this big little art here, there, you know what I'm saying? Do my thing with it. But we come over here, you know what I'm saying? Y'all see the nice wood floor, this living room area and shit, you know what I'm saying? So we gonna get the TV mounted up over there, but I ain't bought a TV mount yet, but, and then, nigga, I'm gonna have my studio right here, so this door gonna come off and my whole studio gonna be right there. Nigga, I'll be in that bitch making new music, so make sure y'all stay tuned, because we gonna have a whole lot of new music dropping very, very soon. And then as y'all can see right over here, we got the immaculate view, you know what I'm saying? All this shit is new. These apartments is brand new, built from the ground up. All this shit new, you know what I'm saying? So it costs a bag to get in this motherfucker. You can't just come in here. And then we got all type of shit, amenities, you know what I'm saying? We got all type of fire pits, barbecue grills, areas and shit. We got a pool, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the amenities too. I'm gonna show y'all the rest of the amenities because that shit make it next top level. But we come over here, you know what I'm saying? We got the little island over here. Same countertop. It look like matching the one in the bathroom with the matching over here in the sink. We got all new appliances. We got the microwave up top, stove with the glass top, you know what I'm saying? That's high-tech shit right there. We got the dishwasher right here, you know what I'm saying? All high-tech shit. It look like this bitch in use right now. Maybe they left me some dishes in here. Shit. And we got the fridge right here, you know what I'm saying? Good refrigerator. Good cabinet size. Look at the cabinet size. Look at the cabinet space. You know what I'm saying? Then we got the lights up top. Don't forget that. You know what I'm saying? That costs a bag just for that. And look at these lights, how we got the lights built in. You know what I'm saying? This ain't no regular shit over here. I'm trying to tell y'all, this ain't no regular shit. This is real boss shit. And then we come to the bedroom right here. And this is what they call a convertible. They call this a convertible suite right here. You know what I'm saying? Because we got the sliding doors. You know what I'm saying? We slide the doors and we set it closed. So when I'm in here clapping one of y'all girls, and then I got my bro with me or my cousin with me, and they clapping one of y'all girls in the living room, you know what I'm saying? I could just shut it off and get the little privacy or something real quick, and then, you know, we back to it. We open it up, you know what I'm saying? Good ceiling fan up top, you know what I'm saying? Nice little carpet, brand new carpet. Nice, you dig, you dig. Let me open this door back. Open these motherfuckers up. Open this motherfucker up. You know what I'm saying? It's what they call the convertible, nigga. I just dropped the top. I just dropped the top on the room, nigga. Yeah. When we come in here, you know, we got the nice basement. We got the big walk-in closet. You know what I'm saying? For all the drip. Cause you know the nigga gotta come with the drip and drip in this motherfucker. Y'all see what's going on, man. Y'all see what's going on, man. Hit that motherfucking like button right now. I'm trying to tell y'all, bro. It's only going up from here. Hey, mark my words. I'm the first influencer in Detroit to do this shit. Like, I'm the first influencer to come downtown, live downtown, and make content in the city. And watch, everybody gonna copy the wave now. I just set the trend. Watch these other YouTubers and these other influencers from Detroit, and the ones that's not from Detroit, but they from Metro Detroit, you know what I'm saying? Watch they copy the wave and do what I do, you know what I'm saying? But I'm actually born and raised here in Detroit. I came from the hood, I came from nothing, and I did this shit on my own, you know what I'm saying? So it feels good. We're gonna celebrate a little bit around this motherfucker. But I got a truck full of shit downstairs. I gotta go get my shit, start moving it up here. So I think I'm about to end this video right here. This is it for the empty apartment tour, man. Hit the fucking like button right now. I'm excited as hell. Whole lot of lit shit about to go on. You know what I'm saying? So many of you niggas, girls about to get getting clapped in here. It's about to be ridiculous. But yeah, man. That's it, man. Hit the like button. Stay tuned in. We only going up. I got a whole bunch of content that I'm about to drop. So make sure y'all tuning in, man. That's it for this video.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel. Because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king. King.